In this video, we will be discussing 4 of the best exercises for erectile dysfunction. There is no miracle exercise to prevent erectile dysfunction. However, there is some evidence that certain exercises may help. During this video, I will also be sharing one of the best ways thousands of men have overcome their erectile dysfunction forever. Having a satisfying sex life generally goes along with having a healthy lifestyle, so let's take a look at 4 of the best exercises for erectile dysfunction. The first tip on how to get rid of erectile dysfunction is regular cardio. Regular cardiovascular exercise can not only improve erectile function, it can boost energy levels, lower blood pressure, and improve muscle tone. Furthermore, by reducing body fat and stress, regular cardio can improve a person's self-image, improve sleep, and result in a more rested overall feeling. For maximum benefit, 20 to 30 minutes of cardiovascular exercise 4 to 5 times a week is ideal, and it may take time to work up to this. So it's smart to discuss with your doctor if you have been living a sedentary lifestyle or haven't had a physical in a while. The key to sticking to cardio is choosing an activity you enjoy, so it won't feel like a chore. Great choices in cardiovascular exercise include running, using an elliptical trainer, rowing, cross-country skiing, speed walking, swimming. Tip number 2 to cure your erectile dysfunction is the use of weight training. One of the keys to addressing erectile dysfunction is improving the functioning of the endothelium, which is the inner lining of blood vessels. Wayne Hellstrom, MD, urology professor at Tulane University School of Medicine, says keeping endothelium healthy can help you improve your erectile function. Cardio training helps with this, as does resistance training. Adding weight training to cardio training increases muscle mass, bone strength, helps with your balance and stability, which can help prevent injuries and can help lower blood pressure as well. Improved muscle definition can also be great for self-esteem, and that can't hurt. If you're looking for a surefire way to get rid of your erectile dysfunction, I recommend checking out the ED Reverser system. It has helped thousands of men overcome their erectile dysfunction and reverse their problem forever. It didn't involve exercises, it didn't involve weird routines, and it didn't involve eating weird herbs or anything like that. It's more of a form of super Viagra, except it was all natural and the results were practically instant and automatic, and best of all, permanent. It has helped over 17,000 men get rid of their condition completely and permanently within days of using it, and their significant others are as thankful as they are. It has helped thousands of men cure their ED problem, and I highly recommend it to anyone who suffers from erectile dysfunction. I put a link in the description, and I invite you to check it out and make the decision for yourself if it is the right option for you. I highly recommend it because it has successfully helped thousands of men by curing their erectile dysfunction problem forever. Also, I encourage anyone else that found anything else that worked for them to feel free to let others know in the comment section of this video below. Tip number 3 to get rid of your erectile dysfunction is the use of pelvic floor exercises. Long prescribed for women who want to restore muscle tone after childbirth, pelvic floor exercises, also known as Kegel exercises, can benefit men significantly too. A study by researchers at the University of West of England in Bristol showed that pelvic floor exercises can help men with erectile dysfunction. Furthermore, experts think that these exercises can make orgasms stronger. Once learned, pelvic floor exercises can be done at any time, even while doing other things. To locate the muscles these exercises engage, try and stop and restart the flow of urine midstream. Just do this once, because if you do it too much, it can affect the passage of urine. Once you've located these muscles, you can tighten and draw the muscles in, feeling them lift upward. Hold for a count of 5, then release. It is recommended that men do 8 to 10 repetitions, resting in between. Ideally, each series of 8 to 10 should be followed by 5 to 10 quick squeezes and releases. And men should work up to doing the whole process 4 or 5 times per day for best results. The last and 4th tip to cure your erectile dysfunction is salsa dancing. If other options sound boring, maybe you should consider some fun, revved up option like salsa dancing. You and your partner can lose yourself in the music, and it's intense exercises that engages the senses, combining cardio, balance, and coordination. Plus, salsa dancing is great for keeping weight under control because it burns a lot of calories. Furthermore, it is an activity that can build self-confidence, and if you're single, the classes can be terrific for meeting new people. Regular exercises don't have to be a drudgery, and there are many types of dance classes that can seriously improve your fitness and help you address the problem of erectile dysfunction. That concludes my video on 4 of the best exercises for erectile dysfunction. There is no miracle exercise to prevent erectile dysfunction, however, there is some evidence that certain exercises may help. Thanks for checking out my video, and I have hoped I've helped you.